Hello everyone, welcome to this short presentation on the second major in computing, design and engineering. It's a relatively recent program. So why did we start this program? As we know, the interstices or the overlaps between disciplines is where breakthroughs happen. Once queries and innovations can transcend disciplinary boundaries. Computing technologies are permeating all aspects of our lives, revolutionizing engineering and design disciplines in a big way, and it is streamlining processes and optimizing designs through data analysis and simulations. And it is also accelerating product development. Now, second major in computing is all about combining your primary major knowledge with computing knowledge leading to a second major. Now, you can do all your jobs, you can do most of your functions without really having this computing second major. But having this computing second major is like that extra pair of specs that can help you see the world with better clarity, and that can enhance your quality of work, and certainly it can improve your career prospects. Now, this program was developed by the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering in close collaboration with the School of Computing. It is open to all CDE primary majors except computer engineering. And if you are taking a second major in computer science with the School of Computing, you are not eligible for this program. Now, the beauty of this program is that it is contextualized to design and engineering disciplines with the intention of creating the next generation of designers and engineers. And to cater to this, we have a very wide range of discipline-relevant electives where you can apply your computing knowledge to enhance that field and that knowledge. Now, it's not a dual degree. It will not be reflected in your degree scroll, but it will be mentioned in your transcript as a second major. Now, what do you need to do to get in? Well, you can apply at the point of admission when the eligibility will be assessed based on your proficiency in mathematics as well as your university admission score. But if you decide not to take up at the point of admission, you can always apply later through our internal system, and then you will be assessed based on your marks in certain related courses such as programming. Now, it is a restricted second major, which means you can't simply take the courses and declare it to get the major. You need to apply and get in explicitly before you can take the courses and before you are eligible for getting the second major or minor. Now, a very good grade in computing related courses and a good GPA are certainly good to enhance your chances of admission to these programs. Now, for getting the second major, you have to complete 6 core courses, which include courses like programming methodology, computer organization, data structures and algorithms, software engineering, etc. And in addition to these 6 core courses, you also have to take 4 electives, which are computing relevant electives drawn from across your primary major disciplines. You can actually double count some of the courses for meeting the requirements of another program, which could be your primary major or a specialization. For minor, the requirements are half, which means you have to do 3 core courses plus a couple of electives, again similar to those electives for the major. Now, here also some level of double counting is possible, and we have a very wide range of electives from the various disciplines in design and engineering, which includes mechanical engineering related courses, electrical engineering related courses, etc. For example, in mechanical engineering, we have microprocessor applications, automation, etc. as electives. And in electrical engineering, you have robotics and automation, data science and engineering related courses, computer networking related courses, so on and so forth. And all these courses allow you to apply whatever you have learned in the core courses in computing to gain a deeper understanding and expertise in the respective disciplines. And for a full list of electives, please do visit our website, which has all the information that you will need. Now, having computing knowledge to enhance your engineering and design knowledge opens up a huge range of career opportunities. So some of the possible roles that you can get into are computational materials engineer if you're from material science and engineering. You could become a smart building designer if you're in a design related discipline, or you could become a software engineer. You could do virtual reality, augmented reality, digital twins, etc., etc. So the possibilities are virtually endless. Here we have two of our graduates who have taken computing relevant courses, and they found their computing background immensely helpful in their jobs and career. We have Jody, who graduated from electrical engineering 2-3 years ago, and who is now a software engineer in Visa. And he has taken a number of courses related to computing, and he found them very, very useful. We have Abdul Hussain here, who is a graduate from mechanical engineering, who also had a minor in computer science and has taken a lot of computing related courses, and who found this computing knowledge very useful when he built a startup related to engineering, automation, and robotics. And this could be you in a few years' time. If you wish to know more about the second major in computing design and engineering, as well as about CDE programs in general, here are the QR codes to our respective websites, which you can visit, and you will find most of the information that you will need. And if you wish to know more, and if you have any questions, please feel free to join this Telegram group and shoot your questions out, and we will be very glad to answer them. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation.